Oh! So you gave that to her?
Her mom. Well, sort of. Yeah. It's my clothes. We share clothes. So you're loaning it to her. I'm loaning it to her. Yes.
Oh, I see.
So she can look like.
So she's going to take it back at some point.
Yeah.
Just letting you know.
What was that? We did just stitch her together yesterday. Yes. She's brand new. You look brand new. Thank you.
No, are you drinking some sort of elixir? Some sort of unicorn's blood that keeps you young forever?
Vampire.
Oh, you're a vampire!
So, yeah.
But you're out during the day. This is very good. You must be one of those new age vampires. How dreadful.
I have a confession to make.
Yes.
Confess away.
Let's hear it.
So sorry. I have never seen your story.
You have never seen, she has never seen our story. She has never seen our story.
I've never seen it.
She has never seen our story. What?
I'm sorry.
Unlock the closet. She's going. What is her name?
My name's Audrey.
Audrey's going in the closet, everyone. This is it.
I will see it.
We need a smaller one. Audrey, unfortunately, I think it's time for you to go. I think no. We can't. Walt will get upset. I'm so sorry.
What if I promise to see it before Christmas?
You should
see it on Christmas.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
I promise.
That is on Thanksgiving.
The next time I see you, I'll let you know. Do you have the movie? I don't.
Do you even know who we are? What we do?
You're definitely should get
Yes.
for Christmas.
What?
She
The
sounds.
movie?
Nightmare Before Christmas movie.
We're from Halloween Town.
Okay.
He's in Critter Country.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yes. He's here.
Got it.
And then
Absolutely.
you open it on Christmas for me. You can
Watch it right away. And then make it a tradition.
Yes. Very
I
true.
promise I will.
And then watch it again the
Okay,
next
you hold her
holiday.
to the promise.
Then Valentine's Day. Yes. No, there's so many more holidays.
Okay.
You
Every
should have
holiday.
it memorized by Halloween, just like us.
Okay, promise.